Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing data and labeling immediately. This is the fastest path to progress. Start labeling a representative subset with bounding boxes because models learn spatial context. Once done, convert annotations to your chosen format, COCO or YOLO, and split into train, validation, and test sets. Make sure to preserve class balance and include hard cases like occlusion and small objects. These initial steps reduce downstream surprises and let you iterate on model choices quickly. You now set up training. Select a backbone and a detection head because the architecture trades off speed versus accuracy. Use a pre-trained backbone to converge faster and apply augmentations like random scale, flip, and color jitter to generalize. Implement learning rate scheduling and mixed precision to accelerate training. Once training starts, monitor validation MAP and loss curves. Make sure to checkpoint frequently. If metrics stagnate, adjust augmentation intensity or lower the learning rate. You finish by exporting and deploying the model where it will run. Export to ONGX or TF-Lite depending on your target. Once deployed, profile for latency and memory. Quantize if you need smaller size or faster inference. Make sure to run real-world tests and collect failure cases to loop back into training. If performance drops in production, check label quality, class imbalance, and signs of overfitting. Retrain with more data or stronger augmentations to fix recurring errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.